Hello student, today we will see a typical problem related to straight line. Our problem is find the equation of the line parallel to the line three x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 and passing through the point minus 2, 3. This is the problem. How we will find the equation of a line parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 and passing through the point minus 2, 3. See. In this problem, we have a equation of a line 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Suppose this line is this and the equation of this line is 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, and we have to find the equation of another line. Suppose that line is this, L. This line L is parallel to this line and this line L is also passing through a point minus 2, 3. These two lines are parallel. So we know that if two lines are parallel, then their slope must be equal. So we can calculate the slope of the given line. Given line is 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. First of all, we will find the slope of this line. So we should try to transform this general equation into this form, that is y is equal to mx plus c. C minus 4y will equal to minus 3x minus 2 divided both the side by minus 4 this way. Then you will have y is equal to 3 by 4 x plus 1 by 2. When we compare this equation to this, then slope of this line will equal to 3 by 4. So suppose slope is 3 by 4 of the given line. Therefore, the slope of the line L must also equal to this line, that is here m is also 3 by 4. Okay. Now we have a concept equation of a line passing through the point and having slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1 by y1 is 3 minus 3 is equal to m is 3 by 4. This is x. x1 is minus 2. Due to this minus sign, it will become 2 plus 2. When we will solve, then we will have 4y minus 12 is equal to 3x plus 6. After solving, you will have 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 18. Or you may write down this equation in this way: 3x see 4y minus 12 is equal to 3x plus 6. This equation will equal to minus 3x here shifting. This is plus 4y, that is plus 18. Okay, this is the equation of the line. Finally, you may write down this relation by using this way: 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 18. This is the equation of a line passing through the point minus 2, 3 and parallel to the given line. 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to